Preventing and addressing water damage and mold. Key insights from Colorado hazard control. Water damage and mold growth can cause significant structural damage and health risks if not detected and addressed promptly. Common causes include roof and plumbing leaks, poor drainage, and flooding. Once moisture is present, mold can develop within 24 hours, spreading rapidly and leading to respiratory issues, allergic reactions, and costly repairs. Preventative measures such as proper ventilation, regular inspections, humidity control, waterproofing, and quick action after storms can help minimize risks. Signs of water damage include discoloration, musty odors, peeling paint, and warped materials. If mold is detected, professional remediation services like Colorado Hazard Control can ensure thorough removal, drying, and prevention of future growth. Taking proactive steps and seeking expert help when needed can protect both property and health, ultimately preventing long-term damage and financial strain.